Fluor Protector S is a fluoride-containing protective varnish for desensitization and caries prevention. The varnish is suitable for all age groups, including children at preschool age. Professional tooth cleaning with, for instance, Proxite Profi pastes is recommended before in-office application of a fluoride-containing protective varnish, such as Fluor Protector S. Our tip: use a flexible lip and cheek retractor such as Optrogate. Optrogate gives you easier access to the oral cavity. Under field conditions, thorough toothbrushing will be sufficient. Once you have cleaned the teeth, provide adequate relative isolation. This is because varnish systems adhere more tightly to dry surfaces and can take better effect. Remove the required quantity of varnish. It is recommended that you briefly dip the applicator into the fluid once if you use a single-dose unit. The Fluor Protector S tube enables you to dispense the material exactly in the desired quantity. Only use as much varnish as you really need to prevent residual material from drying out in the dappen dish. Use a Viva Brush G applicator to apply the varnish. A thin layer of varnish is sufficient to provide the teeth with an optimum amount of fluoride. Apply the liquid varnish selectively to risk sites. From there, the varnish flows directly into the proximal areas. If you apply the varnish on many teeth, do one quadrant after the other. A drop from the tube will give you sufficient varnish for one quadrant. Let the varnish dry for 1 minute. Our tip: do not ask your patients to rinse immediately after the application of the fluoride varnish. Only ask them to spit out. Patients should refrain from eating and drinking for 1 hour. This enables the varnish to take best effect. The fluoride-containing varnish, Fluor Protector S, offers superior protection against dental caries and erosion.